Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Debbie, and if you are not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Click that button down below and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Also, please don't forget to click that bell and turn on your post notifications so you can get notified of any future videos. So today, actually, let me adjust my camera a little bit because I'm like not in center. Okay. All right, so today is Saturday and it's about almost maybe like 1 o'clock. I did a little bit of overtime this morning. I have been working from home, which is something that I've been wanting to do, but the way it just happened because of this whole coronavirus thing, it's just been crazy, and it's definitely an adjustment for sure because the kids are home from school. So this is kind of going to be like a chit chat get ready with me. Right now I'm actually gonna get ready because I am going to take a quick trip to Target and hopefully, crossing my fingers, they have some toilet paper or something that I can use in my house. So yeah, I'm gonna spray a little bit of the NYX Prime Set and Refresh. Actually, no. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna spray this. Hopefully you guys are all doing good and you guys didn't get infected because it's crazy out there. Guys, wash your hands, use hand sanitizer. I know there isn't anything available, but try to keep your hands clean and don't touch your face when you're outside. It's real. This is the Maybelline Master Prime I'm gonna go in with real quick. All right, so for foundation, I'm gonna go in with my L'Oreal True Match in the shade Sand Beige W5. So I'm gonna shake this up, and I'm going to be using my e.l.f. sponge. So yeah, like I was saying, like thank God, like I'm super lucky that my job was able to have me work from home, and I'm also really lucky that I kind of took it seriously even before it literally took into effect where everybody was like going to the supermarket and literally buying everything off the shelf. I was able to get a lot. I mean, enough, you know, until they started replenishing like everything on the shelves. Not everything, but they're doing a pretty good job in my area, which is great. They definitely put like a limitation on meats in my area. They put limitations on like water, 2 per customer, or even like if they have toilet paper available, it's 2 per customer, even paper towels, things like that, which is crazy. Everybody's to that, you know, to that point where it's like they're scared and they want to make sure they have everything that they need, especially if you have kids. But also this is affecting so many people and it's so scary. You know, it's affecting people in so many different ways. You know, luckily I still have a job because I get to work from home, like I said, but other people don't, and I feel bad, like, you know. And the schools are doing really well. Like they're doing everything possible for the kids, you know, to keep up with their education, you know, meaning like they're doing everything online, classes online as much as possible. You know, this is just the beginning, so they're getting everything situated. So hopefully, you know, if you have kids or, you know, whatever, just know that they are doing really well to get the kids, you know, ready and continuing to learn. You know, even if it's not going to be something new, it's going to be a review on everything that they've learned, you know, but they're doing amazing and I'm really thankful for that. It's just also having a schedule for them, which is so hard. You know, I have to work and my man has to work from home now too, so that's crazy. Like I set myself up in the living room at my desk where my computer is, and he actually situated himself in the dining room, which, you know, it gives us some separation to work and everything, so we're not on top of each other. It's cool, but, you know, I'm just hoping it works out. And yeah, and then also having, you know, the kids being home, making sure they're on a schedule. When I'm on lunch, I either go to the market or, you know, we get them lunch. We alternate. You know, we're definitely doing this together. It's not just one person. It's definitely a team effort thing. And the kids are adjusting. You know, they'll adjust even as time goes on, because this is going to go on for a little while, you guys. Not a little while, for a while, which is crazy. I went in with the CoverGirl True Blend Concealer, and this one is in the shade M900 Perfect Beige. So yeah, it's really, really crazy that this all like happened, you know? But we're gonna get through it. Hopefully we just don't get infected. It honestly feels like a freaking, like that movie The Purge or something with zombies. Like, it's freaking crazy. Like, I don't know. It's super scary. You don't know what's gonna happen. I'm scared about this lockdown thing. I mean, we don't have any lockdown as of yet, like set, but stores are closing, like just maybe like your markets and, you know, Domino's, I believe, is open, pizzerias are open, things like that, or you can only do takeout, and that's it. But you're not really like allowed to be in the restaurant, you know, like now that's definitely something that you can't do. My man actually just told me that some bar was open last night and wasn't obeying what the rules were. You know, they said that you can't have them open, they're supposed to be closed. They got their liquor license taken away, they got fines, and I'm just like, what is wrong with people? Why don't you just listen? You know, just do what you have to do, and the less people infected, the better. We don't know what's going on. So, I don't know, you guys, but hopefully this all gets resolved sooner rather than later, right? I hope I said that right. It's just really scary. I don't know. Kids are going crazy. I mean, we definitely take them out every single day. We go on bike rides, we walk, we play in the backyard. We haven't taken them to any stores. It's usually me or Tom that go to the stores, which I want to keep that way. I want to keep them safe and away from anything going on out there. Like I said, we do go out because, you guys, we need fresh air. You have to go out. You need air to breathe, or else you're just going to go crazy. I know I would. So, to contour, I am going in with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Stick Foundation in the shade Almond. So, yeah, like I was saying, I have so much, like, little hairs everywhere. What happened? So, yeah, like, we go out. So we'll wake up in the morning. I have my stuff set up then from the night before on my laptop for work, and so does Tom or whatever. And we'll be up. We have to work from 8 to 4, so we're on 8 to 4. Sometimes I'll work a little bit later, and you know, depending on whose day it is to cook, we'll decide what we're gonna make. We'll take it out of the freezer, and we'll have that out. And then whoever wakes up first gets breakfast, or if they both wake up, they both get breakfast, obviously. You know, either him or I, or he'll do it usually. And they'll eat, and then once they're done eating, one of them, you know, Dom, my little one, will read a book or whatever it is that they have out for him already, like an assignment wise. And then my older one, he actually gets classes online now. Like, he has, I forgot what the app is called, but it's like, I don't know, like, he gets to see his teacher, and all his classes are online now. Like, all his friends and stuff are on there, and they're just doing a class, which is great, you know. But it's just the beginning, so they'll get more organized as time goes. And yeah, but it's really crazy, and it's a real big adjustment, especially to get your kids to understand, like, you can't go to your friend's house. This is not vacation. You have to stick to a routine. So like I was saying, they'll do that. And then, all right, hold on. This is the NYX Illuminating Stick, and this one is in the shade Sun-Kissed Crush. So yeah, I decided, since I'm going to be home also, I need to make sure I'm staying fit as well, you know. So for gym, we'll do during either lunch, or I get 15s also. Like, I get a 15 during the day, and I get a 15 in the afternoon. So we'll do like quick little workouts as a family, you know, which is pretty cool. It's good to do that, and on top of us going out, taking bike rides or walks or something like that. So I think it's also good for them, you know. They have to remain active, and you know, you just have to keep a schedule, make sure that they follow it, and just keep letting them know what's going on, you know, update them as well depending on their age. Hopefully there's a way for them to understand, because you know kids are like, they want to touch, they want to go out, feel everything. Like, it's hard. But you know, I mean, it's just crazy, you guys. Hopefully you guys are doing okay as well. Like I said, I have like all these little hairs, I'm sorry, like it's bothering me. Okay. So now I'm just gonna go in and set my face. I'm gonna go in with my RCMA powder. And set my under eye. I'm really hoping I can find some toilet paper at Target. I have for now, but I just want to make sure I have some backups, because when that time comes and you got no toilet paper, what? Like, we've always made sure to have toilet paper in the house, so this isn't like new for me, but it's just new that there's none available. There's none on the shelves. The shelves are super clean. You guys have seen, you guys know, I'm not lying. There is like nothing available out there, and when you're out, get what you can. I ended up buying 3 bags of fries because there's like no fries. I was like, I'm getting these. I left 2 because there was 5, so I left 2 just in case somebody else wanted, but I took 3. I was like, I need it. And I'm not the type of person that likes to freeze her meat. I don't like that. I've had so many issues, like, no, where it's just spoils, and I'm not that person. But right now, since I'm working from home, I'm okay with that. Like, I'll put it in the freezer, and we have a lot of meat in the freezer right now, thank God. But yeah, like, I'm okay with that because I'm home and it's not literally sitting there past 4 o'clock when it's already done, you know, defrosting or whatever. So I'm just like, thank God. Because then my food would definitely spoil. Like, it would be pointless for me to buy meat, you know. But I'm just happy that we have food, we have our jobs, our kids are healthy, we're healthy, my family's healthy, and his family's healthy, and that's honestly the most important thing, to make sure that everybody is healthy and remains that way. You know, I think that's the main goal. And I mean, what else can you do, you know? Now I'm gonna go in with the Morphe, what is this, micro brow pencil in the shade Java. All right, so now that I'm done filling in my brows, I'm gonna go in with the NYX Control Freak Brow Gel. All right, so keeping it super simple today, you guys, I'm just gonna go in with the Carly Bible palette with collabs with Anastasia. And I'm just gonna grab a little bit of Chai, which is this brownie shade here, this really light brown. And I'm grabbing this BH Cosmetics brush. I'm just going to apply that right, like literally I'm just going to apply it all over the lid and in the crease. All right, so that is pretty simple. Now I'm just going to add a little bit of something on the inner corner, because you guys know I always do that. I'm gonna grab the Sigma Shader Inner Corner E46 brush, and I guess I'll go in with a little bit of Bali, which is this one here, and apply that on the inner corner. So what have you guys been up to throughout this whole quarantine thing? How are you guys feeling? Are you guys managing everything okay? Hopefully you guys are. Let me know what you guys are doing in between, like things to distract you or your family with, you know, kids, you know, fun activities maybe to do indoors. Give me some ideas. That would be super helpful. Like I said, we've been just going outside and just doing like outside activities, but keeping our distance from people. And that's really about it. And they really enjoy being outside anyway. So, and we have a pretty good sized backyard for them to play in. So we do basketball, we do, what is that, wiffle ball, we do frisbee. Maybe those things will help you guys out. It's pretty fun. Ride bikes, like I said, take walks. I mean, that's pretty much it, what we've been doing. Playing Uno, a lot of indoor games. It's a lot, you know. All right, so I'm going to bronze up my face because I didn't bronze. I'm just going to add a little bit. So I'm just going to go in with my L'Oreal True Match Lumi Bronze It. And I'm just going to grab this brush here. This is another BH Cosmetics brush, part of the same brush collection actually. I'm just going to bronze right in that area. And a little bit on my neck. A little bit on the nose. A little bit on the forehead. Why not? There you go. And what else? Oh, I'm going to apply some lashes, but that I'm going to do off camera. I'm going to go in with these Ardell Demi Wispies. I've been actually really liking these when I actually wear makeup, which is really rare now. But when I want lashes and something super natural, I go to these, and you guys will see in a minute. I'll be right back. All right, you guys, so I am back. These are the lashes. Aren't they perfect for like every single day? They're really, really pretty. I love them so much, and they're so easy to apply. Again, these are the Ardell Demi Wispies. They don't have a number. It's just saying, it just says Demi Wispies on the box. So yeah, I'm just going to apply a little bit of this right here. This is the Maybelline Vivid Hot Lacquer, and this one is in the shade Unreal. And that is pretty much it, you guys. Now I'm just going to set my face with the Bear With Me NYX Prime Set and Refresh. And that is it. And it's a really simple look, you guys. I'm literally just going to Target. I just want to do a quick get ready because I just feel like I need to make myself look good, to feel good. I've been home, working from home, not really having to get dressed. I've been changing out of my pajamas and putting on like a super comfy, casual like joggers and things like that, just to feel like I'm not home all day. Like, does that make sense? No. I get out of my PJs, get dressed so I can feel a little bit less sluggish, I guess, just to keep myself moving, because if I stay in my PJs all day, I'm not going to want to do anything, you know? I mean, I'm technically working, but I'm not going to want to do anything. So I try to keep myself in a routine so I don't end up feeling horrible, you know what I mean? Like, being in the house all day and having to work, it kind of sucks, but I like it at the same time. Just not under these circumstances, you know, because my kids are home. Makes it a little harder, and we have to multitask a lot more. So you guys, please stay safe and do what you can. And you guys know what you guys can do. You guys can definitely just keep yourself clean. Wash your hands, cough in your elbow in a tissue or whatever, and then wash your hands if you have to. Like, do what you know you can do to prevent this from spreading, you know? Don't hang out in large groups. I still see a lot of people like not taking this seriously, and it sucks. So yeah, this is the look right here, and please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't yet, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.